hold up, this is so nice. Like, I didn't even fully put it on yet, but hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I found beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to be doing another quick wig install, but this brand is from I-Like-Hair-Wig.com, and this is their I-Part Curly Wig. Like I said before, the best idea ever, but this is different. This is an I-Part wig instead of a U-Part wig. You have to have leave out most of the time, but this wig, you need no type of leave out, no edges. You don't need to do it, you just throw it on. And it's true to its name, you do not need leave out at all. They gave me a coupon code for you guys, which is Symphony25, and you guys can get 25% off this wig or just any hair on their website. So this is the box that I received from I-Like-Hair.com, and this box reminds me of an Hermes box. It's very bougie. It's definitely like a Hermes inspired box. Then the hair comes in this. It reminds me of like an ice cream cone or something. You guys get to receive this comb, and I'm so glad I got another one of these because these are very handy to have, and I'm definitely going to use this in this video. And you guys get 2 wig caps, which we're not going to need in this video, but it's always good to have wig caps. And lastly, we get this I-Like-Hair-Wig.com little pouch that comes with a black edge brush. And I don't have a black edge brush, so thank God I have this now. We have 2 clips just in case if we need to move our hair out the way. And this is the beautiful I-Part Curly Wig, and it's literally so gorgeous. This wig is 18 inches as well, and inside of it, it looks like this. And it has this part right here in case you do have a small head, but I'm gonna cut this off because I have a big head. It comes with 2 clips on each side, this comb part right here on each side, 1 at the bottom, and you can adjust the straps that's on the sides. But my hair is already ready and done up, and if you guys want to see a video on how I do my hair for wigs, I'll leave it down below in the description box. The style that I do for my hair makes my hair very flat, makes it look natural for my wigs. Right now I'm unclipping the clip. I'm gonna use the comb that came with the wig, and it's very sturdy and it's matte. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna use this a lot. I like how it's matte. It's good quality. I'm just gonna wet this middle part of my hair so I can make it look very poofy, like, so it can blend in with the hair better. I do have it slicked down, so it's making it look too perfect, and I do not want that. So I'm just gonna lift this up a little bit so I can match better. I'm just gonna have it like this, a little bit frizzy like that. And for this I-Part wig, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's definitely different from a V-part wig because it's like more hair on the sides right here instead of just hair on this part, and you can see lace right here, but it doesn't have that at all. So hair is all over right here, not even just right here and there's like a little bit lace left. No, it's definitely not like that. So you're just gonna want to put the wig on and use the bottom clip to put under your hair. And you want to start from one side, so you want to do that and do this. Ooh, hold up, this is so nice. Like, I didn't even fully put it on yet, but look though, it looks so, oh my gosh. And I was thinking of cutting the hair, but it already has like some little bit of layers in it, and all I have to do is like floof it up. And you want to clip the hair as close as you can to your part so it can look more realistic. And look, you don't need to do no leave out, no edges, nothing like that, especially for this wig. I really believe that you do not need any type of leave out just because of how this part is right here, so it looks like it's coming from your scalp way better than like a V-part wig. Well, now all you have to do is floof it up, make it look very alive instead of looking flat, so I'm just going to be doing that, just floofing it up a little bit. And if you want to, you can braid it on the side so it'll stick better, but you can tease it as well for it to stick better. So this wig is definitely very versatile when it comes to styling on how to use it. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.